Hi everyone, and welcome to Tech Solutions Hub YouTube channel. It's your friend and technology instructor, Tech Wizard, and this channel is passionate about helping people who are blind or visually impaired to live more independent and fulfilling lives through technology by sharing and uploading the latest news and updates on technology for the blind. From time to time, you will be hearing different voices on the channel who will be covering everything from new assistive devices to accessible apps and softwares. These personalities will also be sharing tips and tricks on how to use technology to your advantage. We will be so glad if you can subscribe to the channel. I hope you'll find our videos helpful and informative. Please feel free to leave comments, share the videos, and suggest topics for future videos. Together, we can make technology more accessible for everyone.
Hello guys, you are welcome to our YouTube channel Tech Solution Hub. In this video, Charles M. Peters will be telling us about Sullivan Plus and how to use it on Android. After watching the video, drop your comment, subscribe to our channel and share the video with others. Without wasting much of our time, let me hand you over to Charles M. Peters.
Hello. This is a demo on Sullivan Plus. What is Sullivan Plus? Sullivan Plus is an application used by the blind or visually challenged to view photos, to detect texts from these same photos as well, especially those photos that are screenshotted, those photos that have texts on them. It helps to extract the text and read them out. It also helps to recognize the facial, or let's say the face of anything, be it person. It could be a man or woman. So it helps to differentiate between genders as well. It can tell the age of the gender, if not getting it perfect, but at least something close to that person's age and gender as well. It can also be used to recognize objects. Let's say objects on photos. So these are the uses of Sullivan Plus. It is to the blind just like the eyes of the sighted is to the sighted individual or their sighted counterparts when it comes to viewing photos. So you can use it to view photos from chats. You can share these photos to the app itself, or you can use it to identify stickers for the blind. So it reads stickers as well. It tells you the image description on the sticker. It can also tell you the facial appearance on that sticker. If the person is carrying a baby, it will tell you. It can tell you the image description. It can tell you the facial recognition, and it can also tell you the text, if there's any text. There are buttons, text buttons, image buttons, and facial recognition buttons for all these things that you can use to know. But another thing we should know here, another thing that is noteworthy about this app is that it works with your data. You have to be online to be able to use it to do all these things. So it works with the network or your data. So if it cannot recognize what you want it to do, then that simply means that the network in that particular area is very poor, and that's why it couldn't recognize it. Now let's go into the app and see the interface. I may not be explaining the settings and all of that. Maybe on your own you can go and check the settings, but I'm going to be sharing photos and stickers to the application, and then we will know if it's reading this application depending on my network strength. So let me just go out and into the app itself. Now,
home screen 1 of 2.
Let's go into
Apps. Double tap to
apps and then
apps. APK Extractor Pro. Row 1.
search
Column
for
1. 1:44 p.m. Out of grid. Google Now Launcher. Search apps. Edit box.
let's search for the app Sullivan.
E-S-A-S. Capital
I'm
S.
going to type a few letters. I may not spell everything out.
Y-U-U-L-L.
In those 3 letters, SUL should bring out the app, but it's spelled SULLIVAN, then the plus sign, Sullivan plus.
Sullivan plus. Column 1. The
Okay.
grid. 2 rows. 4.
I just want us to check the interface of the app itself.
AI mode.
So the first thing
Keyboard closed.
you
AI
see,
mode. Flash on. Button. Double tap to activate.
I've already programmed my flash mode to be on, so it's on. But if I have to walk under where there is no light, my flash will make up for the light that is not on the, for the light that is not in the room. Yeah, I'm recording in a dark place now. So now it's the first thing we have is AI mode. I'm on the interface of the app now. Then let me swipe forward.
Menu screen. Button.
You have your menu
Double
screen.
tap to activate.
Then what do you have on that menu screen? Let me just double tap on it.
Menu screen. Selected. AI mode. Button.
So AI
Double tap
mode is
to activate.
selected. Then you swipe forward again with your finger.
Text recognition.
You
Button.
have text recognition.
Double tap to face recognition.
You
Button.
have face
Double
recognition.
tap to activate. Image description. Button.
So
Double tap
you
to
have
activate.
image description
Fast text scan. Button.
and fast
Double tap
text
to
scan.
activate. Document recognition.
You
Button.
have
Double tap
document
to activate.
recognition as well.
Color recognition. Button.
Color recognition
Double tap to
means it
activate.
can identify colors.
Light. Button.
You
Double
have
tap to
light,
activate. Magnifier. Button. Double tap to
magnifier,
act. Note. Button.
note,
Double tap. PDF reader. Button.
PDF
Double tap to
reader,
activate. Community. Button.
community,
Help. Button.
help,
Setting. Button.
setting,
Double tap to activate.
So-
Close menu. Button.
close
Double tap
menu
to act.
button. So let's start again.
Setting.
Let's go backwards again.
Text record. Close menu. Button. Setting. Button. Help. Button. Light. Button. Color. Face record. Text record. Selected.
So the first thing you have is AI button,
Text recognition. Selected. AI mode. Button.
which is selected.
Double tap to
AI
activate.
mode button, sorry. The first thing you have is AI mode button, which is selected. Then after that you have
Text recognition. Button.
text
tap to
recognition
activate.
button, which helps to recognize the text on that photo. Then you swipe forward again once.
Face recognition. Button.
You have your
Double
face
tap to activate.
recognition button. Then you swipe once again.
Image description. Button.
Image
Double tap to activate.
description button, which helps you to describe the image, while the facial or face recognition button helps to recognize the face of the individual on that photo. So we've done face recognition, we've done image, we know what an image recognition button is now, and we know what a face recognition button is as well. Then you move forward a bit.
Fast text scan. Button.
Fast text
Double tap to
scan
activate.
button. I think it has to do with scanning out the text, probably in a fast way. I really don't know much about that. But let's move forward.
Document recognition. Button.
Document
Double tap to
recognition button. It has to do with helping you identify all your documents once you double tap on it. And there you see all the documents you have on your phone, probably your PDF documents, your EPUB documents, your DOC documents, and any other documents you have.
Color recognition. Button.
Color
Double tap to activate.
recognition button. I think it's self-explanatory. Then we move forward.
Light. Button.
You have light
Double tap to
button.
activate.
I really don't know what this is meant for.
Magnifier. Button. Double
Magnifier
tap to
button.
activate.
We don't know what it's meant for, but probably on your own you can check it.
Note. Button.
Note
Double tap
button.
to activate.
I don't know. I think it has to do with helping to take down notes or whatever. I don't know that.
PDF reader. Button.
PDF reader
Double tap to
button.
activate.
I think it's self-explanatory. Once you double tap on it, it has to get all your PDF books you have. It can also be used in reading PDF books. It might not be as good as your keyboard and other applications you use, but it has that feature here as well.
Community button.
You have community button, swipe forward.
Help button.
Help button.
Setting button.
And then you have your setting button where you can set the app.
Close menu button.
Close menu
Double tap
button.
to activate.
So on your own you can try and explore all this, but we are going to just be concerned. We are only concerned now with how to share your images onto the app.
AI mode.
I'm going to go into my WhatsApp
AI mode.
application presently.
Cancel button. Okay button.
I'm exiting the app itself, and then I'm going into
Sullivan.
WhatsApp,
Screen one. WhatsApp.
and I'm going to be sharing my contacts profile pictures. I'm going to share like 3 or 4 of such contacts and see if it can recognize their pictures.
Airplane mode. Double tap to activate.
So
Labels
that's what
available.
I'm going
Swipe
to
up
be
and
doing
right
now.
to
Let me look for a particular contact chat. That is private contacts on the phone.
Godwin button and list 24 items.
Godwin button. You know,
Double tap to activate. Double tap and hold
on
to
your
long press.
phone you have the name of the person, and once you swipe forward just once, it will tell you the name of that person with a button. So I'm going to double tap on that button of that contact you just heard, the button of the above contact. Now let me just double tap on it.
WhatsApp profile photo button.
So this is
Double tap to activate.
that button is displaying the photo. That's the profile photo button. So we are going to double tap on that profile photo button.
Godwin navigate up button. Double tap to activate.
And I said navigate up, but we are not navigating up. We are going to swipe forward.
Selected Godwin.
It's selected. You swipe forward again.
Share.
And it
Double
says
tap to
share.
activate. Double tap and hold to long
So
press.
this share is what we are going to be concerned with right now. And we are going to double tap on the share. We wait a little, let it bring out the items.
Share with.
So it's bringing out
WhatsApp.
it's loading the items. Now it says share with. So right now it has brought out the items, I suppose. So let's swipe forward.
WhatsApp Joseph Mazira 2 of 10.
We are looking for
Double tap to activate. Double tap and
Sullivan
hold to long
Plus
press.
now. We are looking for Sullivan Plus.
WhatsApp Fountain of Life. WhatsApp Aunt Maria. WhatsApp Godwin. Aoba Dieter 3 of 10. Aoba Aunt Maria. Aoba Barrister Mela. Aoba Favor Ward. Sullivan Plus 4 of 10.
So this is Sullivan
Double tap to
Plus.
activate. Double tap and hold to
Now
long
we are
press.
going to double tap on this Sullivan Plus. When you double tap on it, let me just tell you what happens. It brings out a theme song. That is a tone. Although under the settings you can turn off this tone if you don't want it. You can see that under settings on the app itself, on the Sullivan Plus app itself. But by default the tone is activated. So we are going to double tap on this Sullivan Plus and the tone will come up. So let's double tap on it before it now tells you the description. That's the image description and face recognition, if any, because at times it can tell you no results for face description or so face recognition, or it can tell you no results for text recognition, something like that. So let's double tap on Sullivan Plus now.
AI mode. AI mode. Flash on button. Double tap to activate. No result value of face recognition.
So you heard that no result value of face recognition. Now let's swipe forward and backwards and see.
Menu screen button.
Let's swipe
Double tap
backwards
to
again.
activate. Flash on button.
Swipe
Double
backwards
tap to
again.
activate. No result value of face recognition.
Swipe backwards again.
Not checked. Image description 3/3 radio button.
Not check
Double tap
image
to toggle.
description. So let's check this image description and hear what it will say.
It seems like a man talking on the cell phone. Checked.
You heard that. It seems like a man talking on the cell phone. Let's check. Swipe forward and backwards again.
Not checked. Face recognition. Checked. Image description 3 slash. It seems like a man talking on the cell phone.
It seems like a man talking on the cell phone. I was swiping forward now. So that is what it says. Seems now let's look at the text. If there's any
checked.
text.
Image description 3. Not checked. Face recognition. Not checked. Text recognition 1/3. Radio
Let's see
button.
if there's a text
Double tap
value
to
for
toggle.
text recognition.
No result value of text recognition.
No
Checked.
result value for text recognition. It's just the image value it has here.
Not checked. Face record. Not checked. Image description 3/3.
Image
Radio button.
description
Double tap to toggle.
of this person.
It seems like a man talking on the cell phone.
So
Checked.
what is simply telling you that the picture is portraying a person, a man. Now it's even telling us the gender. A man that is talking on a cell phone.
Not checked. Checked. Image description. It seems like a man talking on the cell phone.
It seems like a man talking on a cell phone. So a blind individual will have an idea that it's possible that Godwin, that is the contact I just shared, is talking on a cell phone while that picture was, while that shot was taken. So that is just it. So let's exit the app. It will ask you if you want to exit.
Alert, would you like to leave this application?
If you want
Cancel
to leave
button.
this application,
Press
so you
select to
swipe
activate.
to here, okay.
Okay button.
That's what it does each time you are done with it.
WhatsApp.
Each time you are
Share.
done sharing
Double tap to activate. Double tap and hold to
the
long press.
particular image you want to share. The same goes for stickers. Let's look for another image.
WhatsApp. Godwin. Button. Enlist.
Done,
24.
Godwin.
Plus 234 903 400
Now,
457 84
this is
727
just a
a.m.
number.
Today 12:16 p.m.
And the
Double
number
tap to
has
open
no
chat.
name
Double
on
tap
it.
and hold
I
to
don't
select
know
item and
who
show
she
to open
is.
remote actions.
I don't know who it is. Either is a he or a she, but I know now because I've checked the picture, so I can say that it's a lady on the picture. But ordinarily I wouldn't know. But thanks to Sullivan Plus, I'm able to understand who is on that picture, even though I don't know the person's name. But let's swipe forward again.
Plus 234 903 400 457 84 button.
This button
Double tap
is
to
where you
activate.
click
Double
on.
tap and hold to long press.
That's after the first, after the above number, you swipe forward once, and it will tell you the button on after calling the number or the name. There's the contact. Now you double tap on the button.
WhatsApp. Profile photo button. Double
Here
tap
you
to
will see
activate.
the profile photo button. Double tap on it.
Plus 234 903 400 457 84. Navigate up button. Double
Now,
tap to activate.
don't navigate up. Just swipe forward until you hear share.
Selected. Plus 234. Share. Double
So
tap to
double
activate.
tap
Double
on
tap and hold to
share.
long press.
You double tap on share and wait for it to load a little. Wow.
Share with WhatsApp. 1 of 8. Enlist. 8 items. WhatsApp.
Now it has said WhatsApp. WhatsApp is always the first that it comes up with. So you look for Sullivan Plus.
WhatsApp. Joseph Basira. WhatsApp. WhatsApp. App. WhatsApp. Messages. Victory. Messages. App. Messages. Mamo. Aoba here. Sullivan Plus. WhatsApp. Sullivan Plus.
Now
Double tap to activate.
this is
Double
where
tap
you
and hold
click
to
on.
long
Once you
press.
hear Sullivan Plus, click on it.
AI mode. AI mode. Flash on. Button.
So
Double tap to activate.
let's see what it comes up with.
26-year-old woman.
It said 26-year-old woman. So it's probably a 26-year-old lady or girl. That is the face recognition coming up now. Let's see.
26-year-old woman. Not checked. Image description 3/3.
Okay,
Radio
that was
button.
the face recognition.
Checked. Face recognition 2/3.
Yeah,
Radio button.
right. Now
Double
let's
tap to
look
toggle.
at the image description.
Not checked. Image description 3/3. Radio button.
Let's check
Double
the
tap to
image
toggle.
description now.
It seems like a child posing for the camera. Checked.
But now here it's saying it seems like a child posing for the camera. It seems like a child posing for the camera. So we don't know if the 26-year-old woman, it said, has a child also posing for a camera. We don't know, but that's what it's saying. That's what the image description is saying.
Not checked. Face recognition
But the
2/3.
face
Radio button.
recognition is
Double tap
saying
to toggle. 26-year-old woman. Checked.
26-year-old woman. So that's for that contact, which I don't have her by name on my phone.
Would you like to leave this application?
So,
Okay. Button.
okay. Leave the application.
Mr. Larry Lerwood, 106 a.m., 112.
Okay.
Double tap to
There's
open chat.
another of
Double
my
tap and hold to
contacts,
select item and show
Mr.
folder for bulk actions.
Larry. Or Larry BB. Now.
Mr. Larry Lerwood, button.
Now
Double
let's
tap
go
to
to,
activate.
to
Double
his
tap and hold to
profile
long press.
picture. I already know he's a man, so I wouldn't be
WhatsApp. Profile
surprised.
photo, button. Double tap to activate.
Profile photo, click on it.
Mr. Larry Lerwood, navigate up, button. Double tap to activate.
Let's swipe.
Selected, Mr. Larry Lerwood.
Share.
Share. Double
Okay.
tap to activate.
Double
Double tap
tap
and hold to
to
long press. Share with. Messages. WhatsApp. Sullivan Plus.
Okay.
Double tap to
I'm on
activate.
Sullivan
Double tap and
Plus.
hold to long press.
Double tap on launch. And hear the tone.
AI mode. AI mode. Flash on. Button. Double tap to activate. 50-year-old man is smiling.
A 50-year-old man smiling. 50-year-old man is smiling. 50-year-old man is smiling. So at times you can even tell the age of the person. That's just what it's saying. A 50-year-old man smiling. Now let's go back and forth.
50-year-old man is smiling.
And I know that this, my friend, is also up to 50 years, if not more, depending on when he snapped his profile picture. So let's go backwards again.
Object. Image description 3/3. Radio
Image
button.
description. Let's see
Double
the
tap to
image
toggle.
description. That was the face recognition.
Checked. Face recognition 2/. Not checked. Image description
Let's see the
3/3.
image
Radio button.
description and see what it says
Double
on the
tap to
image
toggle.
description.
It seems like a man wearing a blue dress.
Like a man wearing a blue dress. That is what's on the image description. Seems like a man wearing a blue dress. Let's don't forget that this app can also be used in checking colors as well. I have not used it to check any color, but it's one of the features on the settings or on the interface of the app as well. So that's what's on the image description. While on the image recognition,
Not checked. Text recognition 1/3. Not checked. Face recognition 2/3.
face
Radio button.
recognition, it's saying
Double tap to talk. 50-year-old man is smiling. Checked.
50-year-old man is smiling. Now let's see if it has a text recognition.
Not checked. Text recognition 1/3. Radio button. No result value of text recognition.
No
Checked.
result value for text recognition. So that's just it.
Function screen. Would you like to leave this application? Okay button.
So we are done with that now.
WhatsApp.
So that is
Mr.
just
Larry Share.
what we
Double tap to
can
activate. Double tap and
do
hold to
with the
long press.
photo, the photo part, the image, sharing your contact's profile picture to Sullivan Plus. Now let's go out of WhatsApp
Mr. Larry Lerwood.
and leave Mr.
Google now launcher.
Larry
Search.
or Larry BB and others. Let's go
Home screen 1
into
of 2.
our internal memory and look for all the stickers we can get.
File manager. Double tap to activate.
So let me go into File Manager
File manager. Selected. Categories.
and now
Double tap to all files. All
select
files.
all
Selected.
files. Now look for internal memory.
Menu. Button. Home. Button. Button. Internal storage.
My
Double
internal
tap to
storage
activate.
has
Double
been
tap and hold to long
activated.
press.
Now let me look for WhatsApp.
Escape or hit. Dot. Android. APK.
WhatsApp
Backups.
folder.
20. DCIN. The dot. Download. 20.
Swiping forward.
Eloquences. WhatsApp. 2020.
Okay.
Media. 2020
Media.
09. Double tap to activate.
No.
Double tap and hold to long press. WhatsApp video. 2020 10 14. 8 of 10.
Swipe
Double tap to
backwards to
activate.
here.
Double tap and hold to long press.
WhatsApp stickers.
WhatsApp stickers. 2020 10
Okay.
18. 7 of 10.
Now let me double tap
Double
on
tap
it.
to activate. Double tap to activate. Double tap and hold to long press.
So I'm inside my WhatsApp stickers folder.
STK 202009. Double tap to activate. Double tap and hold. Unlabeled. Button. Out of list. Unlabeled. Button. Not checked. Checkbox. One selected. Not checked. Check. Unlabeled. Button.
So let me
Double
try
tap to
this
activate.
particular sticker.
Send file. WAP contact photo. 5 of 9. Double tap to activate. Newsfeed. 6 of. Your story. Aoba. Gmail. Aoba. Your story. Newsfeed. Contact. Kaibo. Send the dumpster. Tweet. Direct message. Send by man. S center. S save to. Send with files app. Messages. Sullivan Plus.
Okay.
Double tap to activate. Double. AI mode. AI mode. Flash on. Button. Double tap to activate. It seems like a drawing of a face.
Okay. Looks like the drawing of a face or something like that.
It seems like a drawing of a face.
Seems like the drawing of a face.
Flash on. It seems like a drawing of a face.
Okay, that's what is on that sticker.
Checked. Image description 3/3.
That's the
Radio
image
button.
description.
Double
Let's
tap the
look at the
toggle.
face recognition.
Not checked. Face recognition 2. No result value of face recognition.
No
Checked.
result value of face recognition.
Not checked. Text recognition 1/3.
Text
Radio button.
recognition.
Double. No result value of text recognition.
No
Not
result
checked.
value
Face
of
recognition.
text
Not checked.
recognition.
Image description 3/3. Radio button.
Now,
Double tap the toggle.
it only has provisions for image description, and it said
It seems like a drawing of a face. Checked.
it seems like the drawing of a face. So that's what you have under that sticker.
Would you like to leave this app? Okay, but
So that's what the app is all about. Sullivan Plus. These are all the main features. These are what you can use Sullivan Plus as a blind individual or someone with low vision. So you can just get the app and try other functions like the settings. You can navigate through the settings, and then you would be able to identify with other features on that setting. And it's a beautiful interface. Thanks for listening.